This is your sign to make your own almond milk.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I share my tips on how I save money as a mom who loves to spend money.
I'm a believer of trying everything at least once. Almond milk is expensive.
If you've never tried this, trust me, it's so simple and tastes amazing. Start with 1 cup of raw almonds, softens them and makes the milk super creamy. Let them do their thing. The next day they should have puffed up. Drain off the water and rinse well. Grab your blender, your almonds and 2 cups of water. You can leave them plain or add a tiny pinch of salt, splash of vanilla or sometimes a drizzle of honey. Blend them for about 60 seconds. Should look super creamy and smooth by the end. Now for the magic part, strain it. Don't rush this part, is actually kind of relaxing. If you have one of those bags, I forget what they're called, but you just put the liquid in and you squeeze the milk out. That method is probably easier than this one. But we roll. Don't throw away the almond pulp. I actually use mine to make crackers that I'll show in another video. If you're new here, hi. I DIY absolutely everything. If this is a bit of you, I'm glad you found me. There you go, fresh homemade almond milk. No additives, no weird stuff, just pure goodness. Bye guys, slán.